Hi friends, so this is Crystal at Charming Cheek and I'm back with another Dollar Tree Love Affair video. You may be wondering why I have you staring at a wall. Well, that's because I'm actually, special effects, having you stare at my light box that I use to take photos of my masks and the little small items that I make. This is a Dollar Tree Love Affair video because these tiles are from Dollar Tree. They are $1 a piece. They have them in several different styles, and it helps you to instantly transform your light box and make it a little bit more special to fit the occasion and the thing that you're photographing. Have a faux backdrop that on camera looks pretty darn amazing. Now, while I have you here in this light box, I'm also going to show you another thing. Sorry, I hope I didn't just give you motion sickness. And that is a very inexpensive and handy way to store all of your Cricut accessories. Also from the Dollar Tree, because it would be silly if I was doing a Dollar Tree Love Affair and it wasn't from the Dollar Tree. And it's this. It's the Crafter's Square Pencil and Brush Organizer. Let me bring it in closer so you can see it. It is super easy to put together. Let's do it while I have you here on camera. There is a skinny end of this little pillar and a fat end. And a slot to put it in. No tools necessary. I hope that I'm on camera. I can't see. Forgive me if I'm not. Okay, there you have your Dollar Tree craft organizer, and look, watch, through the magic of television, woo, or YouTube, there we have it, an amazing Dollar Tree organizer. It has room for your housing blades, so these fit right in there, all of your pens, and it holds other tools that are not necessarily Cricut. I just have a little magnet here that's holding together my foil embossing blades or tips, and I just love that I have everything here. The one thing I do wish is that it had a turntable. It doesn't. It's a manual turntable only, but I think I will look and get one for this just so that I can spin it around and entertain myself when I'm up here in my craft room all alone and you all aren't here visiting with me. I hope that you found these two little items helpful, and if you have any questions, please let me know. I will have a link to everything that I showed you today in the description box. Sometimes Dollar Tree pulls their things from their website and they don't have them available anymore, so in that case I guess you're just going to have to go into your local Dollar Tree and see what you can find. Okay, I'll be seeing you folks soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.